brutal masyado. Alam mo, bihira ka makakita ng ganito. And you can only find this in people who are crazy. May tupak sa ulo ang... Ay, ikulong ninyo yun. Huwag ninyo bitawan yung yawa na yan. Like to call the PNP. Be sure that he is detained. He should not be allowed to go out. Kasi serious offense yan. There's no bail. Unahin ko lang yung police. Nakita ko yung TV. Baka na hindi ninyo talaga nakuha, ha? Pero I don't think that isa lang itong klaseng police na to. May sakit ito sa utak. Tupak. And I'm just wondering why he was able to nakalusot sa neuro. You could detect a person by the way he answers in mga test neuro. Tarantado yung gago na yun. Di ba sinabi ko, you do it right, I'm with you. You do it wrong, and there will be a hell to pay. Yun ang sinabi ko sa aking sona. Ang akin dito, ulitin ko, do your duty, enforce the law. Your actions must be in accordance with the law. You do not follow the law, mag-salvage ka, magpatay ka dyan, then I'm sorry. That is not part of the agreement of how we should do our work. Sinabi ko, I think a dispute of land or boundaries, something, a right boy. Tapos ano, parang itong, kayong mga pulis, ha? Mahal ko kayo kasi nagtatrabaho kayo. Nakita naman ninyo kung gaano ko kayo kamahal. I went to the extent of going to Hulo to just pay homage to the bravery of our policemen and soldiers. Pero kayo may mga sakit, may mga tupak. And I am sure that by now, he should not be allowed to go out because double murder yun eh. Double murder is a serious offense, a grave offense. So, from the time you are arrested up to the time that you are hailed to court to answer for the death of those two persons, innocent ones, walang bail ka. So, pag nahuli ka, diretso-diretso na yan. And I don't think that you can escape the rigors of justice because nakuha sa TV, pati ako napanganga. Kawala-walang kwenta. That's unfair and brutal masyado. Kung ako ang nandiyan, ewan ko lang. I don't, pero I do not like oppression. At yung tao, nagpapahirapan yung tao. Usually kasi itong police, you tend to exhibit your authority even in matters not connected with police work. Yung mga away-away. Karamihan niya mga police yan, nagbinubugbog yung asawa. So kung kayong binubugbog ng asawa ninyo na pulis, pumunta lang kayo sa Malacañang, Kaya ipatawag ko yung pulis, bugbugin ko yan sa harap mo. Para magdemanda, ihulog ko na lang sa Pasig. Naggago kayong putang ina. I was, ang pagmamahal ko sa trabaho lang natin, you do something which is not out of the ordinary, like just pulling a gun and shooting people. You must be. Ikulong ninyo yun. Huwag ninyo bitawan yung yawa na yan. Like to call the PNP, be sure that he is detained. He should not be allowed to go out. Kasi serious offense yan. There's no bail. So, hindi makabail yan. So, diretso-diretso na yan.
Mr. President.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Magbigay lang po ako ng update dito po kay Police Senior Master Sergeant Jonel Nuesca. Ito po yung namaril sa Paniki, Tarlac. Na-inquest na po siya sa Tarlac Provincial Prosecutors with 2 counts murder. At within the same day po ay na-file ang kaso sa Regional Trial Court ng Branch 67 Paniki, Tarlac. Criminal case 313-20 and 314-20. Siya po ay under the custody now ng Chief of Police ng Paniki, Tarlac, at sisiguraduhin po namin na talagang hindi ito makakatakas at mai-serve yung justice. Meron na rin pong admin case na sinimulan ang Philippine National Police. Ito po ay isang isolated incident that we do not tolerate itong ganitong klaseng gawain ng police. Nakakasira sa maraming magandang ginawa ng ating kapulisan, lalo na ngayong panahon ng pandemic.
I agree with you, Secretary Anyo. Alam mo, bihira ka makakita ng ganito. And you can only find this in people who are crazy. May tupak sa ulo ang, you do not. Ako, nang bubugbog ako kasi may kasalanan ka. Pero hindi ako nagbabaril ng tao. Paano mo, may karamihan dyan, mga asawa. Uwi sa bahay, lasing, tapos kung hindi magbirayan yung asawa, yung mga anak. You know, I take things personally. Maski na presidente na ako. Pag may magsumbong sa akin ang asawa ng anak na binubugbog sila, lalo na hindi pa nag-intrigo ng sweldo, dito ka sa akin. Mamili ka. Ayun palang namatay is a mother, 52 years old, pati ang anak na 25, ang anak 25 years old, anak na lalaki. I agree with the General Anyo. Hindi ito this is just one of those things na yung bad break sa buhay ng tao. Okay, ako kung nandyan ako, hindi ako magpahero ha. I'm not trying to be pass myself as a hero. Pero pag nandyan ako, hindi ko talaga kayong